Beach day 2.
There you are.
Santa Monica Pier, huh? Yeah.
How do you get to the parking lot? Right here.
You don't.
Why do you gotta just plow through all them people?
There's that bubble gum.
Yeah, see how cool this is?
Yeah.
It's cool.
It's
Oh,
so
you gotta
cool.
pay. You gotta pay now. That's okay.
$3 for each hour, so whatever you think.
15 max. After 3.
Where are we? Santa Monica. Santa Monica. Be careful where we walk.
Look how many people are here.
There's a lot of people here. I can sing. It goes to. Don't you see that? It's bigger than the things that I love. Dance, man. That's our scary roller coaster over there. So scary. We're gonna die. Look, I want to go under that. What? The pier. Not like over there, but like under the pier. You know what I mean?
For too deep.
Well, no, I don't mean like out here. So we're at the pier right now.
I mean, look how it stirs up the dirt.
We're at the beach. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped my camera. That would have been so bad. And so we're about to go get some lunch. And then we're going to go down to the beach and find some shells. Here comes an undertow. Undertow. Just kidding, it's not. That was cool.
You don't want to ride the roller coaster?
Oh yeah. Oh, here comes another one. Bet you don't want to be caught up in that. Here comes somewhat of another one. Here comes another one. I'll get one.
Mimi!
Hi. Hi, Megan. Hi, Grandma. Hello, we're at Bubba Gump. And is that, okay, is this, it's Forrest Gump.
Bubblegum.
It's like based off Forrest Gump.
That's where they got the the theme was said that way. They call it bubblegum. Of course, did you see him on the elevator door?
Yeah, I did. I want the Wi-Fi. So we just finished eating. Well, I did.
If you guys are done, if you want to head with me, go ahead. Head out.
You know? I said go wherever you want to go.
He gets tired of driving.
Yeah, I can imagine that, especially when he was lost like 24/7. Megan just wants to go to Ross. Megan, we're back in Disney Town. Hey, Megan. You never filmed me dancing. I think now is the appropriate time to dance.
We'll just keep on going.
I can dance to this. No, it would be so cool if you filmed me like dancing in the middle.
Why is there so many people here? We should just go home. We can be here.
I got a lot of souvenirs for people, so all of you, I have got you covered.
We'll go home.
Yep, look at all those people. Yeah. Do you like this music, Grandma?
Disneyland, and this is how it is. We're outside of Disneyland. It's such a depressing place because you can't go in. It's like,
That's true. Did you hear what she said?